today's date? February 2nd?
Yeah. Go for you too hot.
Let's go outside. Oh, the door's stuck.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Seriously.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
That's great.
Don't break it. Just go slow. It'll go eventually, right?
You want to stick it out there and take video before I wreck it off?
Whoa. There's our shovel. We're not getting into the backyard. There's no way.
I don't even think we really have to worry about the dogs.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah, right. Okay, should we just jump over it?
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay. I don't know what you're gonna do. We can't shovel all that. Just go.
It's like a whole new world.
Ooh, the kids would love this. Did you really fall in the snow? Don't hurt my finger. I'd rather just take video of you struggling to get out. Stop saying swear words on my video.
Yeah, that went right up my back. F you. Look at his whole gutter is all